Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K. Misra. This video tutorial is on operations research. This is part 14 in series. Now come to the question. Question number 1. The solution of any transportation problem is obtained in how many stages? The correct option is D. 2. Question number 2. An optimal solution is the dash stage of a solution obtained by improving the initial solution. A. Third. B. First. C. Second. D. Final. Correct option is C. Second. 3. Modi method is used to obtain dash A. Optimal solutions, B. Optimality test, C. Both A and B, or D. Optimization. The correct option is C. Both A and B. 4. For solving an assignment problem, which method is used? So here correct option is A. Hungarian method. 5. To make an unbalanced assignment problem balanced, what are added with all entries as 0? Dummy rows or dummy columns? Both. Here correct option is C. Both A and 6. Any set of non-negative allocations that is xij greater than 0 which satisfies the row and column sum, that is rim requirement, is called dash A. Linear programming, B. Basic feasible solution, C. Feasible solution, or D. None. The correct option is C. Feasible solution. 7. A feasible solution is called a basic feasible solution if the number of non-negative allocations is equal to dash. The correct option is C. M plus n minus 1. 8. Any feasible solution to a transportation problem containing m origins and n destinations is said to be, correct option is C, non-degenerate. 9. A path formed by allowing horizontal and vertical lines and the entire corner cells of which are occupied is called a closed path. Correct option is C. 10. Transportation problem algorithm can be used for minimizing the transportation cost of dash from O origins to and D destinations. A. Goods, B. Products, C. Items, D. None. The correct option is A. Goods. 11. If demand is lesser than supply, then dummy demand node is added to make it a dash A. Simple problem, B. Balanced problem, C. Transportation problem, D. None. The correct option is B. Balanced problem. 12. Basic cells indicate positive values and non-basic cells have dash value for flow. Correct option is D. 0. 13. According to transportation problem, number of basic cells will be exactly, correct option is C, m plus n minus 1. 14. Before starting to solve the problem, it should be balanced. If not, then make it balanced by dash column increased demand is less than supply, or by adding dash row increased supply is less than the demand. The correct option is D, unshipped supply or shortage. 15. In which phase is optimization done and how does that phase also check for opportunity conditions? Correct option C, phase second. 16. Optimality conditions are expressed as dash increase all non-basic cells. Correct option C, reduced costs. 17. A dash has rows oblique column having non-basic cells for holding compensating plus or minus sign. Correct option is A, cycle B. Question number 18. After determining every basic cell within the cycle, the adjustment obtained as minimum value in basic cells is known as, correct option is the adjustment amount. 19. Optimal solution is a feasible solution, not necessarily basic, which minimizes the, correct option is C, total cost. 20. State which of the two statements is correct. 1. The cells in the transportation table can be classified into occupied cells. 2. Unoccupied cells of optimal solution is a feasible solution which maximizes the total cost. Here only one option, that is first, is correct. So correct option is C. 21. The allocated cells in the transportation table are called A. Occupied cells, B. Empty cells, both A and B. Correct option is C, both A and 22. WAM stands for, correct option is D, Vogel's approximation method. 23. When the initial basic feasible solution has been computed, what is the next step in the column? Optimality test, correct option is C. 24. One can find the initial basic solution by using dash, correct option is A, WAM. 25. What do we apply in order to determine the optimum solution? Correct option is C, Modi method. 26. In a transportation problem, if the number of non-negative independent allocation is less than m plus n minus 1, correct option is C, less. 27. A given TP is said to be unbalanced if the total supply is not equal to the total, correct option is C, demand. 28. If the total supply is less than the total demand, a dummy source, that is rho, is included in the cost matrix with, correct option is C, 0 cost. 29. To find the optimal solution, we apply dash Modi method, correct option is C. 30. For maximization in transportation problem, the objective is to maximize the total dash, correct option is C, profit. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of